Welcome back to Valencia. I'm Nick Harris, sitting alongside me, Matt Burt, down in pit. Final word with you, Dylan. Conditions look put. 600 journalists from all over the world. This is the sport.
Tension builds inside the factory Yamaha garage. Can Lorenzo become only the third rider in MotoGP history to overturn a points deficit coming in to the final round of the championship? We're about to find out here in Valencia.
Valentino Rossi takes his place on that back row of the grid. Jorge Lorenzo is already there in pole position. 30 laps, 4.005 kilometers, 2.489 miles. The talking has stopped. The championship will now be decided out on the track.
And it's a dream start by Jorge Lorenzo from pole position. Look at Valentino Rossi streaming up the inside down to the first corner. It's going to be 99 Lorenzo that leads the way from Danny Pedrosa, who's come through from the second row of the grid. There's Rossi trying to find his way back through the field. He's already on the inside of a few riders. Rossi now on the inside of Loris Baz and turn number 2. Lorenzo though leads the way. Rossi side his way through the field.
Wide, coming through there like a knife through butter at the moment. Pedrosa up the inside of our market. Lorenzo though has got the dream. Tree's going to change. One lap gone.
Rossi needs help from the Honda. There's no doubt about that. Lorenzo leads over the line at the end of the first lap. Valentino Rossi then down in 15th place. He's about to move up the inside of Nicky Hayden, the 2000